Welcome to Raj Classes. Today we will discuss about the pointer in C. First of all, what is pointer? It is a special type variable. It is a special type of variable which can store address of same type of variable. Same type of variable. So what is pointer? It's a variable first. Pointer is a variable. Then it's a special type of variable. Why it is special? Because in C we have discussed a variable can store one value. It's a memory location which can store a value. Suppose I am taking one variable of an integer type, integer x. It will consume some memory space. Clear? And it can store one integer type value. Clear? Suppose I am taking one character variable. It can store what? One character type value. So pointer is a variable, but it's a special type. Why it is special type? Because it stores the address. It stores the address of what? Address of same type of variable. Means what? Suppose I am taking integer pointer. Integer pointer can store what? The address of one integer type variable. One integer pointer can store the address of one integer type variable. Same as one character pointer can store the address of character type variable. Clear? So integer pointer can store the address of integer type variable and character pointer can store address of character type variable. It stores the address. That's why it is a special type of variable. Clear? Then it is denoted by star symbol. This is known as what? Indirection operator. Indirection operator, or you can say dereference operator. You may call it as indirection operator or dereference operator. Clear? Then what are the advantages of using pointer? So this is very important. If there is no advantages of anything, why you will use that thing? Okay? So there are some advantages of using pointer. First one is it produces compact and efficient code. Second one is as it stores as it stores the address of a variable, it saves memory space. Third one is memory can be allocated dynamically using pointer. Clear? So this dynamic memory allocation can be done using pointer. There is one chapter, dynamic memory allocation. We'll discuss malloc, alloc, realloc, those functions we'll discuss there. So for dynamic memory allocation, pointer is necessary. Next advantages we'll discuss. Fourth advantages is as it deals with the address of a variable, so it increases the execution speed. And reduces the execution time. So it reduces the what? The execution speed. So as it reduces the increases the execution speed. So as the speed will increase, what will happen? It will reduce the execution time. So it will take less time to execute. Clear? Then it manages the dynamic data structures. It manages the dynamic data structures like linked list, stack, queue, tree, and so on. Clear? So these are the benefits or advantages of using pointer. Clear? It saves the memory space. The dynamic memory allocation can be done using pointer. Then as it deals with the address, so it increases the execution speed, and as the speed will increase, the execution time will be reduced. It will take less time to execute. It manages different data structures, dynamic data structures like your linked list, tree, graph, and your stack, these things. Another advantage is you can see in function we have discussed. Suppose in one main function is there, and in main function we have two variables, a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. Clear? Next, we have one function, suppose function 1, and we have passed these two variables. Clear? Then I have printed these two variables inside main after calling up this function. Clear? Just see. And in function 1 definition part, what I am doing, I am changing the value of these two variables. And I want to display these changes value of a and b in main function, because I have called this function 1 here. So function 1 will be called, and there is changes of a and b. We are changing the value of a and b, and after calling up this function, I have displayed the value of a and b. We have discussed in previous videos in function part. You can see there. So I want this changing value. Clear? So we know function can return a single value through return statement. Through return statement, a function can return a single value, not more than one value. Clear? So as it returns a single value, but I want the changing value of both a and b, more than one variable in main function, this thing can be possible using pointer only in C. Clear? We cannot return a and b here like this. So as I cannot return more than one value using return statement from a function, but I need the changing value of more than one value in calling function. In that case, we need what? Pointer. We'll discuss this topic what? In call by value. Next videos we'll also discuss call by value and call by address. In this video we'll discuss this part, how pointer will help to do this program, so that the changing value can be reflected, can be accessed in main function. Clear? This can be possible by using call by address. This can be possible by using call by address. We will discuss in what? Next videos. Clear? These are the advantages of using pointer. Next, we'll see the declaration of pointer. Declaration of pointer. What is the syntax? What is the syntax to declare? This is data type, then space, star, pointer, variable, name. Or you may write data type, star, space, pointer, variable name. For example, suppose I am taking data type as integer, then it will be integer star p, or you may write integer star then p specific. This way you can declare one pointer. This is the declaration of pointer. Clear? Suppose you are taking character, then you may write character star p or character star p. Clear? Generally we will use this integer space star p. I have already told that pointer is denoted by star symbol. This is called what? Indirection operator. Indirection operator. Or you may call it as dereference operator. Clear? Next, types of pointer. Generally, pointer is divided into two types. First one is typed pointer. Second one is untyped pointer. What is typed pointer? If a pointer is pointing to any variable, if a pointer is pointing to any variable having any data type, suppose I am taking one integer pointer. If this pointer is pointing to, integer pointer means what? It will point to what? One integer type variable. If a pointer having some data type, integer is a data type, then it is called typed pointer. If there is no data type of a pointer, that is called untyped pointer. Clear? One is typed pointer, the pointer having any data type is called type pointer. Clear? So it may be integer pointer or a character pointer. For example, integer star p, character star p. These are the what? These pointers are called type pointer because it has some data type. Clear? Untyped pointer, if there is no data type, if there is no data type, then pointer is called untyped pointer. Untyped pointer. Or you may call it as what? Generic pointer. So untyped pointer is called as generic pointer, and it is denoted by, as there is no data type, it will be void. Void star p. So in untyped pointer we can store the address of any type of variable. Here in pointer, void pointer or generic pointer you may call it as, in this pointer I can store the address of one integer type variable, also can store address of one character type variable, also can store address of one float type variable. So it's a generic pointer. Clear? So untype pointer is a void pointer. Void type pointer, as there is no data type, it's a void, and it is also called as generic pointer. It can hold, it can store address of any type of variable. Pointer stores the address of same type of variable, but here generic pointer, or you may call it as untyped pointer, can store the address of any type of variable. In that case, when we will access that pointer, access that variable value, then we need what? Typecasting. We discuss in next videos. So there are two types of pointer. One is type pointer, another one is untyped pointer. Untyped pointer is called as a generic pointer. It can hold the address of any type of variable that is void *p. And as a type pointer, the pointer having any data type is called type pointer. You may call it as integer *p or character *p. These are the type pointer. So today we discussed what is pointer, then declaration of pointer, what are the advantages of using pointer, and types of pointer. The rest part we'll discuss in next videos. Today we'll stop here. Thank you.